Hey guys, how are you? My name is Fahmi Jamal. I'm student, software engineering student at Adama Science and Technology University. So let us back to our project. Our project Camera is autonomous AI system that acts like digital influencers. It can find trends, think about them, create the content, and check its own work out to help humans. So the agent follows specifications and rule, not hard-coded behavior. So there is three main components that it follows. So the agents have a planner. Agent has a planner, also a worker, also a judge. Based on these three components, it can perceive the environment and then uh, can post the information based on these three components. It's also there is a skill. There is also a specification for it. For now, let us test it in my machines. So first, let us test the for workfolio. This is the workfolio. It's follow without what without agent can run in the continuous loop. So it's worked, but some error because of the Gemini API. So it is to it is succeeded, but the by via generated mock fallback. So it's because of the API problem. It is not a premium API. It is just a flash. Now let's test for the project. First test cases. There are many test cases. These test cases are passed. So around 43 test cases passed. One is warning and one is skipped. This is also because of the API is not premium. So it's this indicates the warning of that. Also, let us go to the CI/CD. From CI/CD, there is a Docker file. Also, it is I used the Docker file. I am not used the Docker Compose. I only use the uh, one single container. So we can check it from this. There is a Chimera Docker Compose. Sorry, Docker image. So our images stored in this. So let us go to the configuration of the rules MPC rule. I used this MCP rules. Also the core one is the GitHub action. So we can look its workflow from this. GitHub Actions is one of the CI/CD pipeline. So every tests are moved here. I used this during the development. Another one is yeah. Overall, it's cool. Yeah, I used this file, especially specification, to as it is understand overall the project. So I, as an agent can understand this for workfolio to build the project. The project is also built by the two AI tools, anti-gravity and cursor ID. Yeah, I use this system. And thank you for providing this. I would like to say thank you very much.